Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Alcalde. I hope everyone's doing well and being safe. I wanted to share one of my absolute favorite stories with you. This is a Mo Willems book, and this is called There is a Bird on Your Head. Okay, here we go. I hope you enjoy my voices. Piggy? Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I love Piggy's face. Uh-oh, I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I don't want 3 eggs on my head. Oh, well then I have good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else. Poor little chicks. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? Do you think they will? No problem. It worked. Bye. I wonder where they went. Now there are no birds on my head. Oh, thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed this story. I have a whole bunch of Mo Willems stories that I can share with you. And I hope that you are being safe and being healthy, washing your hands. And hopefully we get to see your smiling faces soon. Take care.